Yo, can I be real for a second? Why do y'all treat small content creators like they're some background NPCs in your scroll routine? Like the second the name isn't famous, suddenly the effort doesn't count. Hours of editing, grinding, thinking, posting, and people act like it's nothing but noise. But let a big creator breathe wrong and it gets 1 million views instantly. The switch up is crazy. Small creators put in real work, real time, real grind, and still get treated like they're invisible until something blows up. Then everyone pops out like they always supported. Nah. Respect the ones building from the dirt, not just the ones already shining. Small creators use this sound. Let's help them reach their first 1,000